walking towards a waterfall hidden deep in the lush greenery, Balnadu Falls was once a perfect escape for nature lovers that you will witness shortly. With its refreshing cascades and peaceful surroundings, this place felt like a secret paradise. To reach this hidden gem, you had to hike for about 5 to 10 minutes through a beautiful green plantation. This park and the waterfall is currently inaccessible. We will explain why later in the end. And as you walked, the sound of the waterfall would grow louder, building the excitement with every step. Lucky that we visited this in the monsoon. The sound of water, the cool mist, and the untouched beauty of the forest made it a dream spot for anyone looking to unwind. Many adventurers hiked through these trails, capturing stunning moments and making memories. Balnadu Falls is now closed to visitors. Due to safety concerns and littering issues, access to this beautiful spot has been restricted. Let's remember to respect nature, so places like this can stay open for future explorers. If you've been here before, share your memories in the comments. And if not, let's keep exploring responsibly. Save nature, save the planet, and do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.